In this video, we'll be looking at our transitioning contacts from old to new journeys template, one of the Success with Autopilot journeys. This journey is designed to successfully transition your contacts from one journey to another, without the risk of contacts receiving duplicate content. In this example, we're working with a simple email nurture, configured using our Nurture 2018 list, and a series of delays and send email shapes. To start transitioning your contacts out of a previous journey that you no longer want active, you'll need to swap out the trigger in the journey for a list trigger, configured with an empty list. This will stop any new contacts from entering your journey, but allow those currently in the journey to continue. To minimize downtime, make sure your new journey is ready to go before redirecting your contacts from the existing journey to the new version. In the new journey, we're moving our existing contacts from our 2018 Nurture journey and adding them and new incoming leads to our 2019 Nurture journey. The list trigger that starts this journey is configured with our Nurture 2019 list. Some of the contacts on this list were also on our Nurture 2018 list, so we want to ensure that they don't receive the same email content twice or get marked as invalid in your email reports. To do this, we've added an is on list or segment condition check, configured with a Nurture 2018 list to check for contacts on that list. Using the Yes Connection option, we've used a series of check email status condition checks to prevent any content double-ups for the contacts that exist on the Nurture 2018 list. This pathway uses has been sent connections to quickly progress these contacts past the content pieces they have previously received. By using has not been sent connections, the contacts will drop down into the new journey when they reach an email they haven't encountered before, and allow them to progress their journey as normal. When a contact enters this journey and they do not exist on the Nurture 2018 list, they will flow down the no connection and progress through the journey as normal. As a pro tip for this journey, you could consider calculating the time remaining for contacts to progress through the original and introduce that time frame as delays between the condition checks in your new journey. By matching the timing, you'll ensure that contacts complete their time in the original journey before the new journey checks for these email sends. This transitioning contacts from old to new journeys template allows you to successfully transition your existing contacts from one journey to the next, keeping them on track and up to date with your content.